So thanks for watching all these great videos on Instagram. We've got a lot more information and checklists and tutorials on our blog. But we covered a lot here. We covered setting up personal Instagram page, business Instagram page, metrics analytics, running Instagram ads, what type of posts, what type of interaction, calls to action, bio links, how to get your photos set up, what kind of photos you should show. I mean, there's so many great tools out there. We talked about Instagram stories, Instagram live. I mean, Instagram is a whole world of social media just in itself, but it's an opportunity to reach over 1 billion people right now, and only 14% of realtors are using it. If I was to invest in one social media right now, I would say leapfrog all the other technologies and jump right to Instagram, because you'll be part of the few that are really taking advantage of the fastest growing social media network, especially for the real estate industry. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Definitely subscribe to our channel. We're here for you to provide value, and we hope you enjoy all of this. So please comment below and let us know.